Good morning. Welcome to Distributor Orientation Program. In this presentation, we are going to see the company profile and distributors overview. We are now going to know about the company background, concepts and philosophy, and the founder in this page. Company profile. DXN was founded by Dato Dr. Lim Siogen, a graduate from prestigious Indian Institute of Technology. Dato Dr. Lim started the business in the quest of benefits of mushroom on human health. His deep interest and endless effort has driven him to utilize the fullest potential of Ganoderma or Lindsay, which is well known as King of Herbs, for human health and wealth, with the establishment of DXN in 1993. The core business activities of DXN includes cultivation, manufacturing and marketing of the health food supplements. Based in Malaysia with the worldwide operation, the company is well known for its Ganoderma business. Its product lines include dietary supplements, food and beverages, personal care products, skin care and cosmetics. Since its inception in 1993, DXN has upheld its concept of one dragon company, one world, one market and one mind. DXN's high regard for quality earned the company many outstanding recognitions from various health and business organizations. In its core business for network marketing, the rapid global expansion of DXN is recognized internationally by its vast growth of members worldwide and its amplification of footprint in key strategic locations. With over 4 million registered distributors worldwide, DXN is solidifying its position as a world leader in Ganoderma products. DXN's founder. DXN was founded by Dato Dr. Lim Siogen, a graduate from famed Indian Institute of Technology. Dato Dr. Lim has deep interest in mushrooms and its relationship with human health. After more than 20 years of careful research and scientific analysis, Dato Dr. Lim discovered the specific benefits of Ganoderma and Lindsay and its corresponding effect on human health. Realizing Lindsay's importance and health benefits, Dr. Lim began sharing his knowledge about miraculous herb among his friends and colleagues who mirrored his passion for good health. DXN's philosophy. DXN works on the concepts of one dragon company, which means the entire process of cultivation, processing and marketing is solely done by our company under strict quality control. One world, one market means each and every distributor enjoys worldwide bonus with a single membership which can be enrolled anywhere in the world. One mind. The company and its distributor should one-mindedly concentrate only on DXN's business. Our philosophy is providing low price, high quality products and keeping in low profile while generating high income by appropriate direct selling method. DXN's logo. The red color in the logo signifies rising sun, which means positive thinking. The green color in the logo signifies vitality and growth. Blue color in the logo signifies water. The company has the basis of the growth. The red oval shape depicts the sun. It symbolizes a company which has great potential in the domestic and the international market like a rising sun. The green Ganoderma symbolizes people who always strive for excellence and care for their health. The blue horizon symbolizes that the company provides basis to nourish growth. In distributors overview, we are going to see distributors agreement form, guidelines of direct sellers, rules and regulations of our company. the distributor's agreement form. To become a member of DXN, a prospect has to fill a membership form which is free of cost. He can walk in to any of our branch or stockists and fill a membership form to become a member. He will have to carry a residence proof, PAN copy, and a photograph which is mandatory to fill in a membership form. After filling in the form, he can submit it to any of our counters, and on submitting a form, a membership number will be allotted to him, which is provided in the form of an ID card. He can use this membership number to purchase our products in distributor's price and to sponsor members under him, and also to get the benefit of commissions based on his business. Distributor rules and regulations of DXN. The distributor's rules and regulations are the regulations of the company and is expected to follow them after enrolling as a member. He or she has to sign the declaration in the form that he has read and accepted the rules and regulations of the company. Now, we shall brief you the core points in the rules and regulations. Any applicant of membership should be aged 18 years or above to become a member of our company. A distributor is prohibited to submit any false or inaccurate information to DXN. Any change in the information has to be furnished to the company. Husband and wife are deemed to be registered as joint distributor with a single distributor code. If the husband or wife is found to have registered as a distributor after the spouse has registered earlier as a distributor of DXN, then the later distributor will be cancelled or the whole group will be transferred to the spouse. A distributor's distributorship shall be terminated under the following circumstances: sponsoring other distributors in an improper or an invalid manner, changing the selling price of a product without approval of DXN, involved in other direct selling companies or companies having competitive products with DXN, in breach of DXN's rules and regulations, code of conduct, DXN's marketing plan or any of its policies, conducting any activity that directly or indirectly bring a negative effect to DXN or affect DXN's goodwill, delivering, distributing or selling DXN's product of one country to another company without written approval from DXN. Many false claims which is made against the products or DXN's marketing plan will also lead to termination of membership. Responsibilities of a distributor. A distributor is independent and free to operate on his own. Therefore, a distributor shall not claim or represent as an employee. A distributor shall represent the products, services, and opportunity of becoming a distributor ethically and professionally. No representation or sales offer may be made relating to products and services which are inaccurate as to price, grade, quality, and liability. No unreasonable, misleading, or unrepresenting earning claims can be made. No income guarantee of any kind shall be made. Manners of selling and selling price. The selling price of any DXN product is determined by DXN, and no distributor shall be allowed to reduce or increase the price, including by way of tampering with the selling price as a fixed or determined by DXN on the label or packaging of the product. Breach of this regulation shall result in having distributorship suspended or terminated by DXN. Product claims. A distributor shall be held liable and responsible for the false claims, misinterpretations, etc. of the product quality, quantity, content, usage or benefits other than those mentioned in the authorized product literature specified by DXN, and all such acts shall lead to disciplinary action including suspension or termination of membership. no distributor should or attempt to state or intimate that any product is approved by or bears special sanction of Ministry of Health or any other governmental authority. Buyback policy. DXN practices buyback policy to ensure maximum satisfaction to its end users, customers or distributors. This policy allows every distributor or consumer to return unsold DXN products in its original condition and of merchantable quality within 30 days from the date of purchase to the seller. The product in original condition and of merchantable quality means the product which are still in market with price label intact and clean, unopened box and in good condition. The distributor must fill in the distributor buyback forms and submit the same to any of the DXN offices, outlets or branches under acknowledgement. DXN reserves the right to reject any of the returned products that does not meet such specification or condition. Product return should be accompanied with the following documents. A. Relevant cash bills or invoices. Only original copies will be considered valid. B. Filled in buyback form. DXN will send the full refund against the product returned by a cross-check, fund transfer to the bank account of the distributor. The check or fund transfer will be made within 30 days of the return date. The distributors are advised not to do over-purchase of the products. Purchase of products should be made on realistic estimation of customers' order. As per the Indian government guidelines for direct selling business, the direct sellers or the distributors are obligated to adhere to the rules and regulations as follows. Certain obligations of direct sellers. Direct sellers engaged in direct selling should carry their identity card and not visit the customer's premises without prior appointment or approval. At the initiation of sales representation, with request, truthfully and clearly identify themselves, the identity of the direct selling entity, the nature of the goods and services sold, and the purpose of solicitation to the prospective consumer. Offer a prospective consumer accurate and complete explanation and demonstration of goods and services, prices, credit terms, terms of payment, return policies, terms of guarantee, and after-sales service. Provide the following information to the prospect or consumer at the time of sale, namely name, address, registration number or enrollment number, identity proof and telephone number of the direct seller and details of the direct selling entity. A description of goods or services to be supplied. Explain to the consumer about the goods return policy of the company in the detail of after transaction. The order date, the total amount to be paid by the consumer along with the bill and the receipt. The time and the place for inspection of the sample and the delivery of goods. Information of her rights to cancel the order and to return the products in saleable condition and avail full refund of the sum paid. Details regarding the complaint redressal mechanism. A direct seller shall keep proper books of accounts stating the details of the products, price, tax and the quantity and such other details in respect of the goods sold by him or her in such form as per applicable law. A direct seller shall not use misleading, deceptive and or unfair trade practices. A direct seller shall not use misleading, false, deceptive and or unfair recruiting practices, including misrepresentation of actual or potential sales or earnings and advantages of direct selling to any prospective direct seller in their interaction with the prospective direct seller. Make any representation to a prospective direct seller that cannot be verified or make any promise that cannot be fulfilled. A direct seller shall not present any advantages of direct selling to any prospective direct seller in a false or a deceptive manner. Thank you for watching Distributor Orientation. Hope you will be clear about the company's background and its rules. Wishing you all great success. Thank you.